Fair enough.
We'll do it.
Cool.
So I think. You will have to be careful with
when you're tilting it.
Yeah, because that is just a little bit almost too big.
Yeah.
But it does fit. So if you want to pan up,
yeah.
it's probably not.
Can you move it upwards? Yeah.
And then obviously the restrictions downwards is if you've got this mat box on.
And the monitor open, would it balance?
Yeah, it will balance, but I haven't balanced it with the monitor open.
Right. Okay. Can you do that?
It should balance. Don't see why it shouldn't. Still, you have that clearance, side to side, same. No different to what I would normally want. The only restriction really is this. Other than that, it works.
Oh,
yes,
sorry.
Almost better enough.
For the most part, this is how people shoot with it, and you can do whatever you want. You can run with it, like literally run down the aisle, and it's going to look pretty smooth. So. So it's all about movement isolation.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is what it does. It isolates your body movement from the camera whilst it keeps everything steady.
Right. Okay.
It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
Lock mode. So it really depends. Lock mode is good for sort of jib shots.
Yep.
Because it's going to maintain perfectly the camera perfectly horizontal. Trying to get it into low mode. See, it's got sort of a couple of angles where it's not going to like what.
As Daniel said, it's got some restrictions.
Yeah, like I showed you earlier. I went to the side and then decided to flop
See?
like that. There you go.
That's what it doesn't like. We have them in stock, so if you want, you can come down to our Hemel Hempstead showroom and do some more testing on it.